Hey guys, Andrew Petrowski with the No Limit Group. Today we're out front of Brookside Beauty and we're going to show you the final product of this beautiful historic transformation. This house has been through a lot with us. We've been on it for about 3-4 months. We've been definitely bringing back some history and bringing back some character that this house originally had. So without further ado, let's go inside. All right guys, let's start this tour of this magnificent home in this beautiful foyer. If you guys remember from when we originally started, we wanted to go ahead and give this a real classic look, this staircase and banister. So what better way to do it than a classic gloss black with a gloss white, beautiful oak tread with enameled risers, gives it a total classic look that would have been totally time appropriate for this house. So now let's make our way through the living room. In the living room, we have beautiful, original, oversized trim work. We went ahead and tied it all back together, took our time and did a beautiful enamel job on all the trim work throughout the house. The fireplace, we did something cool. We ended up doing a overlaid gel stain on top of a dark brown paint to give it almost a wood-like appearance. Although this is concrete, it looks like wood. Guys did an awesome job. We also went ahead and put some marble hearthstones at the base of the fireplace. This thing turned out awesome. Let's keep going. As we're walking through the house too, you'll see we had the whole house professionally staged for when we put it on the market. The stager did an excellent job with the homeowner, James. Them two have been working relentlessly around the clock to put this all together and have a final product that, I mean, I'm just floored. Now in the kitchen, we had a lot of space to work with and we used every single inch of it. I mean, this is a larger kitchen than you'll find in most modern homes. There's a ton of cabinet space, extremely large walk-in pantry with an eat-in area over here. We have a full gas range, microwave, full-size fridge. I mean, this has all the bells and whistles. Hey guys, we are upstairs and we are outside of the bedrooms. Let's go ahead, jump in and show you one of them. All right guys, welcome to the master suite. This master suite is spacious. It has 2 walk-in closets, one in the master bedroom and actually one in the master bath. We got beautiful hardwood floors. We have ceiling fans. We have wall sconces. This master suite, in my opinion, is decked out perfectly for the next homeowner. All right, check out this master bathroom. Although it's on the smaller side, we went ahead and combated it with a lot of white to brighten it up and give it more of a spacious feel. We got white marble tops, white vanities, white tile. It definitely doesn't feel small at all. All right guys, so if you like entertaining, we definitely got you covered on this backyard. We weren't originally going to do such a big patio slab, but we just felt it was really needed to give somebody a real nice large outdoor living space. We went ahead and had this whole area concrete poured, and then we actually had an accent border with a brick pattern put around the outside and saw cut all the concrete slab to a diamond pattern. It definitely gives it a cool, classic, nice look. We also went ahead and sodded the whole property. So everywhere around the house has new grass, new landscaping, new mulch. We went all out, guys. So let's talk about what we actually did to the exterior of the house for a minute. You guys will see we put a new acrylic stucco coating on the entire house. If you remember before, It had a bunch of holes and cracks and just was really inconsistent. There was really no way to go ahead and paint it. So we went ahead and applied a whole new stucco coat on the whole entire house. We also went ahead and painted everything. We painted all the eaves and soffits around the windows. So it's got a new paint job. It's got new exterior stucco. This house is tied up tight. All right, so I hope you guys had a lot of fun walking around this transformation that we've taken on. James and I have had a ton of fun bringing back the history of this Brookside beauty. I hope you guys have really enjoyed the journey it's taken for us to get from where we were to where we are now, and we look forward to bringing you guys a lot more homes that we have in the mix. Don't forget guys, we still have the Skittle house that we're working on currently, and that house is just as amazing as this. If you know anybody looking for a house in the Kansas City area, definitely hit me up. I would love to assist you guys. We offer so many different options for home buyers and home sellers, from construction to design to sale. We got you completely covered. Now guys, it's time to say goodbye. I'll see you again later.